If you've encountered issues with sending messages or invites on Xbox, restoring your sending privileges can help you reconnect with friends. Follow these steps to regain your privileges. Step 1. Check your account status. Visit the Xbox website and log into your account. Check for any notifications or alerts regarding your account status that may indicate restrictions. Step 2. Review communication settings. Navigate to the privacy and online safety settings in your account. Ensure that your communication settings allow you to send messages and invites to friends. Step 3. Remove any restrictions. If you find any restrictions in your settings, adjust them to allow for messaging. Save the changes and exit the settings menu. Step 4. Clear console cache. Power off your Xbox console completely. Unplug it from the power source for at least 10 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help reset any temporary issues. Step 5. Contact Xbox support. If your sending privileges are still not restored, reach out to Xbox support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your account and any potential issues. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Xbox. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.